afternoon from AlphaCars. My name is Tom, coming to you from our North Hampton location, and today we're going to take a look at this 2008 Volvo C70. This vehicle is showing just over 63,000 miles. If you reference the listing for this vehicle at AlphaCars.com, you'll find plenty of useful information and technical data, including remaining brake life, readings from our paint depth meter, and a CarFax report. Now the CarFax report does verify this is a two-owner vehicle. The car spent its whole life in Florida, and the last owner owned this car for just over a decade, putting an average of only 4,000 miles per year on the car, so definitely a weekend getaway car. And the condition certainly backs that up. You can see these wheels had a nice, unique appearance to the car, and minor curb rash, but nothing out of the ordinary. Very, very minor. See again in the front here. On the front fascia here, the headlight lenses are crystal clear. All the plastics still shining nicely, and that chrome surround on the grille still looks great, free of any rock chipping in the front. And the interior is no different. So next up I'm going to move in there, give you a tour. Okay, moving on to the inside. You can see it's a nice combination of this beige leather with some gray surrounds as well. Driver's seat, minor wear, as is fairly common with vehicles of this mileage, sliding in and out on the leather. But overall, very nice in here. You see the nice beige leather surrounded with the gray on the door card there. Very, very attractive and simple interior. You can see this sort of floating center console design is very unique, kind of a Volvo staple, and I really like the way it looks in here. Even the font is just quite nice, quite appealing to look at. You can see the passenger seat. It's in nice condition. Minor markings in the leather here, but again, nothing out of the ordinary. Very simple and attractive gauge cluster there. Now I'm going to stick the key in the dash, kind of a funky looking key. Does the job nonetheless. Key in the ignition. Fires right up, no issues. No lights to report. Now, being a convertible, it'd be wrong of me not to show you the top operation. Just foot on the brake and hold this button here. You can see the trunk opening up backwards there. Quite a satisfying mechanism. No strange noises or clunks. Operates very smoothly. All stows away in the trunk. And then once all the windows react, you know you're all set. You'll get a nice ding, top fully down. And just for appearance's sake, we will drop the windows. This one button does drop all the windows in sequence. Sorry, I let off for a moment. So this puts down all the windows. So next up, I'm gonna hop outside, give you a look with the top down, and show you the motor while it's running. So here at the engine bay, 5-cylinder, idling very smoothly, incredibly clean engine bay. No issues to report. All the plastics look great surrounding the motor. You can even see down onto the frame there. Paint looks great. There's no grime built up or accumulating. Even behind the motor, down by the exhaust, all the metal looks great. No issues to report, so let me drop the hood. Now backing up here, give you a look with the convertible top retracted. Just give you a quick walk around. In my opinion, this is how this vehicle should be viewed. It's very attractive with the roof down. Nice two-door cruiser car for the weekends. Really nice look. I love the steep angle of that windshield. Makes the car look like it's going quickly even when it's parked. As you'll see in this side profile. Nice looking car. So as we move around the vehicle, I can show you the rear seating area. Again, very clean. These seats are in nice shape all around. You have a couple cup holders there, and you do have a pass-through with this removable panel. You do have a pass-through to the trunk. I'll move around to the trunk here, give you a look at the top stowed away. So the top fits nicely in there. You do have a bit of storage there as well. So next up, I'm going to put the roof up and give you a look at the carpets and the trunk with the roof in the upright position. So with the roof back in the upright position, I thought it was worth pointing out that even with the roof up, you can drop all 4 windows and it gives it this nice pillarless look here. Very unique look with that nice thin opening for the windows. Very sporty. See that feature on some cabriolet models, but it's definitely unique when you do. Now with the roof no longer stowed in the trunk, all you need to do is lift away this barrier. You can see plenty of storage space. We do have 4 carpets in very nice shape for the vehicle. And the trunk is plenty spacious and very clean. Stow these away. So if you have any further questions regarding this 2008 C70, please reference the listing at alphacars.com. There you're going to find a high-resolution photo set and all the relevant contact information. We hope to hear from you soon. This vehicle is going to make somebody very happy. Thanks so much for your time. Have a wonderful day.